I see a lot of posts in the internet where people are writing that it's time to change the job, that web development is not safe anymore because the AI can generate components, write business logic, and design websites. This is why they're looking to alternatives like DevOps or cybersecurity. Let's find out if it really makes sense. It is obvious why developers have fear. We can simply write a small prompt and get a fully generated component in React or Angular. This is something what junior or middle developers were doing at least an hour beforehand. Now it is generated in seconds. So obviously it becomes more difficult to find a job as a developer, especially if you was just writing code. For senior developers it is different because they have experience, they can plan architecture, they are using AI better, but still ideas that AI will improve even more and web developers won't be needed are there. But let's look on DevOps and cybersecurity. It is clear why people are looking in these two fields, because essentially these fields are at least somehow related to web development and the knowledge that you already have is at least partially needed. But from my perspective, it is all the same. It is exactly like with development. AI can write configurations of Terraform or Docker in seconds, configure your CI, and automate infrastructure. Writing configs and executing commands in DevOps is exactly the same what we are doing in web development. So I don't really see how this job is safer than web development. The same goes about cybersecurity. It is further from web development, you need to learn much more, because at least in DevOps you typically touch some stuff like setting up your CI, configuring your server and so on. Cybersecurity needs even more skills that we don't have. And still AI can do things like reading logs, scanning files for vulnerabilities and so on. So people who think that cybersecurity or DevOps are safe jobs for next 20 years are just going by feeling, not by experience. You need to talk first with some people who are already working in that field and ask them how they feel with AI in their everyday job. It will probably be really similar to our situation. And you must understand the real cost of switching. It is not like today you're working as a web developer and in 1 week you're working as a DevOps in a senior position. You will either start from a much simpler role and you still need to learn a lot. Things like Kubernetes, Terraform, AWS, Linux internals, networking and so on. I would assume it is around 6 months to a year to learn all this stuff, even if you have some experience with DevOps. And you are basically leaving behind all that experience that you already have as a programmer. I think it makes much more sense to improve the skills that you already have in the programming environment than start to learn something from scratch. And this is exactly why I created middle to senior front-end bootcamp to help developers reach the senior level and be safer with the AI on the market. So if you plan to do a switch, it must make sense. If you really fear about developer's job, it might make sense to make some more drastic switch and do something completely different where you are feeling that it won't be replaced in AI in the next 10 or 20 years. Like for example becoming a teacher or a doctor, but obviously the amount of skills and knowledge that you need to learn there will take several years at the least and you will start from the beginning. So if you are serious about becoming a senior developer and staying in this field where you already have some skills, check my middle to senior front-end bootcamp where you learn everything from passing interview, algorithms, architecture, testing, creating your own projects and much more. You can find the link to it under the video.